Critical levels for Algorand up 1.2% today, down 11.3% on the month, and only up 3.6% this year so far, guys. Where is Algorand headed next? What are the critical levels for Algorand? I know all of you Algorand lovers out there want to know, so we're going to be covering these questions and a lot more here in this video. I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains every single day, so make sure you guys are smashing those likes, hitting that subscribe, and if you haven't joined the Crypto Citadel to get all the exclusive macro long-term analysis and daily trade signals, definitely do so. So let's jump right into it. Algorand right now has fallen out of its May range. A lot of altcoins have done this since Bitcoin has been having a major pullback overall throughout the month of June so far. That being said, Algorand has come down to find some support around its April targets, which are the monthly point of control, or was a monthly naked point of control at 19 cents along with the gold pocket. Dipped a little bit lower than expected, but that's fine, no big deal. We're finding support here and we're starting to try to potentially move back up. Bitcoin is in a very, weird situation where we could be seeing Bitcoin dropping lower. We did see Bitcoin drop down to about $100,000, and there is a big potential, big thesis that I've been covering in the Crypto Citadel for taking a short around the 107 before dropping down to $96,000. Now, this is not what this video is about. So assuming Bitcoin doesn't have any major pullbacks, the targets to the upside for Algorand are 21 cents, which is the monthly average and the monthly naked point of control for the month of May. So do expect some strong resistance here around 21 cents. A lot of targets, value area low of May as well. Now, once we can reclaim the month of May, get back in, start running towards this value area high of 24 cents, we still have some big targets within the Q1 range. Breaking out of the May range to the upside, our two big targets are both quarterly time frame targets. One's a quarterly average and one's a quarterly naked point of control between 28 and 29 cents. From where we're at right now, that is a total move to our first targets here, about 13%. To these two quarterly targets, about 50% move to the upside. But it doesn't stop there. Algorand is actually setting up, if you're comparing Algorand versus HBAR, Algorand is looking a lot better here in this chart than HBAR is. That being said, to the upside above 29, we have a weekly untapped average of around 32. Then do expect some strong resistance here between 38, 37, which is the value area high of Q1. And then we have a monthly and a weekly average along with all this major resistance from all this support and rejections that we got here back throughout December and January. So those are the big targets to the upside above the Q1 value area high is between 39 to 41 with a gold pocket up as high as 45 cents. Above that, we don't really have much of anything else until we start revisiting some historical targets from back in 2021, which we are quite some long ways from. So what are the percentages from where we're at right now? We said 50% to this quarterly average, quarterly target. It's 71% to 32 cents. And to about 41 cents is a 119% move. If we go to the gold pocket, 136% move to the upside. I am an Algorand holder myself. I will be taking profits definitely within this region as we get up here. Going to be creating a moon bag, letting the rest ride, but I will be taking some heavy profits around this area. Just a lot of resistance. Really depends how long it takes for Algorand to get up here, where Bitcoin's at overall in the macro long-term scheme of things. How's the altcoin season feeling? So that is what my thesis is so far. But yes, be paying close attention to Bitcoin here. The time of recording this video is June 7th on a Saturday. I am expecting big volatility next week to potentially push up to 107 before pulling back down to about 96,000. Whether that all plays out within next week or not, we will see. But I am expecting some big volatility coming here, more than what people are expecting. So guys, make sure you're smashing those likes, hitting that subscribe. Drop down below what other altcoin you want me to cover next. And if you haven't joined the Crypto Citadel, definitely go and do so to stop missing out on all the macro analysis and daily trade signals being posted in there. Until next time, I'll see you in the Crypto Citadel.